A lattice is a 3D grid that allows you to deform an object by placing it inside of the lattice. To start, you'll need to add a lattice. So go to your Add menu and select Lattice. Now scale the lattice so it's roughly the size of your object that you're going to deform. We need to add more points to this lattice. So go to the Object Data Properties on the lattice and increase the resolution. Now select the object you want to deform, go to Add Modifier, Deform, and select Lattice. Then choose the lattice that you're going to use. Now go into Edit mode on the lattice and start deforming it. To add this modifier to more of these objects, select all the objects you want to have the lattice modifier first, holding Shift, then select the object that has the lattice modifier last. Click the drop-down menu in the lattice modifier and select Copy to Selected. Now your other objects are deformed inside the lattice. The lattice is a great way to create cartoony effects without having to model it that way, because it's a lot harder to model something deformed like this than it is to model something that's a little more straight and cube-like. Give it a try.